Hi friend, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra. On the completion of 2 years of Conceptual Orthopedics on 2nd April, we are happy to announce the release of our new book, which is going to supplement your preparation of theory. The aim of Conceptual Orthopedics is never to substitute a textbook. But yes, we are going to give you, in a book form, the key points of the recently asked theory questions so that just before you attempt your paper, you have a place where you can check that have you completed the list. Releasing on 2nd April, the book that talks about the topics. Thank you very much.